In this video, we are going to solve question number 7 of exercise number 9.2. Find value of 3 raised to the power 2 minus log 4 with base 3. As we know that if base is same, then power will be added in case of multiplication. So it can be write in this form: 3 raised to the power 2 dot 3 raised to the power minus log 4 with base 3. Now 3 raised to the power 2 dot 3 raised to the power log 4 with power minus 1 and base 3. It can write in this form: 9 dot 4 raised to the power minus 1, and it can be written in form of 9 by 4. Here two formulas are used: a raised to the power log x with base a, it can be written as x, and another formula is log m raised to the power n, which is n log m.